bakers!
I'm Valentina and this is my Thea. Today we're making brookies. But not just any brookies. We're making brookies with a secret ingredient. Shh. Don't tell anyone about it.
Don't tell. Let's get started. Do you want to walk our bakers off the list of ingredients we have here?
Yes. So we have a whisk. Whisk. Spatula.
Rubber spatula.
That goes like this. I love when I do that. So fun. 2 eggs that'll crack on your head, guys.
And what's that?
It's just Oreos. Big pan. Chocolate cookie dough. Milk.
And a little bit of oil.
And a little bit of oil. Some brownie spray.
And then?
And some Chewy Fudge Brownie mix.
That is right. Some Chewy Fudge Brownie mix. So we're going to keep this short and sweet using store-bought ingredients. And that way you know that you can whip them up in a snap just like we are. Snaps for baking with Thea. All right, first things first, we're gonna prep our pan. So we're gonna spray a little bit of butter spray, or a lot of it. All right, let me get the corners. Because we want this to remove nice and easy. All right, next thing is to set our cookie layer on the bottom. So this makes it super easy. I'm gonna snip this. And remember, we always wanna encourage safety first in the kitchen. So I'm gonna do the cutting and then Valentina can do the placing. So you're gonna take the whole tray and you're gonna plop it on one side of the baking pan. Let me smell. All right, plop, drop. Okay, then we'll flip it on this side and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next.
On the other side?
On the other side. So now it looks like this. So we have the 2 chunks and then we're gonna get our fingers in there. Best kitchen tools, some clean fingers. So make sure you wash your hands and we're gonna have a smush attack. So we're gonna smush it all in. Put some elbow grease in there. You see how you just gotta smush little by little and it'll start filling itself out.
Look, it's stinky, no mooching.
We have our cookie layer nice and flat. Next, we're gonna make our brownie batter. But before we do that, what's the secret ingredient? Oreos. Say it louder.
Oreos.
Louder.
Oreos.
One more time, louder.
Oreos.
What we're gonna do is lay our Oreos on top of our cookie layer. And I'm telling you guys, bakers, once you have the Oreo layer, you will never go back. It's such a cool little surprise, and believe it or not, they keep their shape great, even though they're in the oven. This video is kind of homage to Zio Nick because he absolutely loves this dessert. My brother Nick, aka Giraffe, because he's like 6'5" and a giant, he is in the army, and last time he was home, I made this for him, and he absolutely loved it. Shout out to Zio Nick, right? Okay, so what I'm doing is just putting them in half, and then squeezing them in that little crevice there. So it'll be a little crevice all the way around. So we have 2 layers now. We have our cookie layer and our Oreo layer, our magic secret ingredients. So next we're going to make our brownies. It's going to follow the package instructions. If you want to elevate your brownies in any way, substitute butter for the oil that the package asks you and milk for the water. So I substituted the milk in this recipe, but I left the oil, but you can actually put butter and it'll make it a lot richer. But because we have so much going on already, I left it with the oil. So we're gonna whip up this brownie batter and we'll show you the next step. Wow, Mama, that's a whole cloud of chocolate.
Cloud.
Oh God, not the stiff cloud again. Our brownie batter's coming along. We're gonna add our last egg. Bloop.
Pop right in the middle, guys.
And then we're gonna take our whisk and whiz it all up. And we'll show you what it looks like when it's there. Oh, this is looking good, huh?
Uh-huh.
Nice chocolate lava. Okay, I'm gonna pour. Then you gotta hold, you gotta scoop it out, okay?
Okay. Don't miss a drop.
A drop, a drop, a drop, a drop, a drop. Nice clean bowl. Then we're gonna spread this. You wanna do a little spread?
Yeah.
So we wanna try to spread it evenly, nicely. Don't scrape up any of the Oreos. There you go. Work your way in and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. We have our nice, even layer.
Even. Like 4.
And all the crevices are filled in.
10.
You can give it a little love tap. Go ahead. Perfect. All right, and then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven, 350 degrees, for about 18 to 20 minutes.
No, 1 second.
You wanna check on it in between, and you wanna make sure you cook this low and slow because remember you have a lot of layers, they cook differently, so at 350 it makes sure that everything ends up, you know, the same and together, right? So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Bye. Bye-bye. Into the oven. Deliciousness. Give it a whiff. Give it a whiff. Right, our brookies were in the oven for a total of about 22 minutes. You want them to be still moist on the inside but fully cooked through. How does the brownie taste?
It's yummy.
Is it yummy? What do you think? Can I have a bite? Qué rico, see? So good. We had that beautiful cookie layer, that Oreo layer, that brownie layer. Everything came out so good. What do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and don't forget to check out our Instagram. Yummy thumbs up. Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now. We say bye-bye.
Bye.